Did you?
Nice stains.
Oh. Hi, hello, this is Beth.
Come to the conference room, please.
Hi.
We were just having a meeting about the Art Basel releases.
It looks like you're staring at a plant.
Don't be a bitch.
Okay.
So we were just talking about the Art Basel releases, and you gave them to Duncan?
Yeah.
Okay. So when we give you work to do for us, and then you give it to Duncan, you make us look really lazy.
You are lazy.
What?
Wakey, I got a cakey. You want some?
That's my birthday cake, spelled wrong.
Hey, Beth. Hold up. Did we get a plant? What?
Is it your birthday? Happy 40th.
Oh, you're 40? Bummer.
No. Oh, I'm not 40.
Hello, buddy. Oh, you're feisty, aren't you? Hey.
Okay, so we're still in a meeting, Beth. So
You need water?
Should I stay for the... I'll just... Happy birthday.
to you. Yeah, bye.
Duncan?
What?
I'm not feeling well, and it's lunch, so I'm just gonna go home.
No.
I've got 157 sick days.
Yep. I need for you to do all these press releases from now on. Her last headline was just a flame emoji, and the New York Post printed it verbatim. Honest question. Do you like being invisible? Hello?
No, I don't.
It's been 8 years, and you're still not an account executive. I've been waiting for you to step up, ask for a raise, anything. What do you want, Beth? What is your purpose? It can't just be this... Oh, look, Ivanka.
And so I told him, if you want to go on a date, you gotta come to Brooklyn.
Oh, hey, girl, hey.
Oh, no, Beth, we didn't know you were coming. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything since Saturday.
I texted you. I'll be there in 10.
You didn't text me. Oh, yeah, you did. And I texted you back. That's weird.
I had a terrible day at work.
Oh, hey, can I give you a compliment? Even though you clearly haven't slept at all last night, your skin looks amazing.
Thanks. Hey, are you guys forgetting something? Today is my...
Holy shit! I just found my roommate's ex-fuck buddy's HBO password. Technically my fuck buddy.
Hey, guys, it's my birthday.
Oh, shit, I knew that.
Oh, my God, I am so sorry.
You know, I actually thought that it was next week. I'm sorry. I'm such a disgusting person. I know that you must hate me.
So sorry.
It's fine.
I'm so
It's fine.
It's not
fine. It is your
best
birthday.
person.
Literally, your day is shit.
I value you so much. I cherish you. You are so valuable to
You're
me.
embarrassing me.
No. No, plus I forgot to get you presents for like the past 3 Christmases.
I don't celebrate Christmas!
That came out of nowhere.
Raya? You remembered.
You broke my computer.
Huh?
Netflix was all good. I sit down to watch The Crown. My password is erased.
Raya, you hadn't cleared your cache for 3 years.
I ask for so little in life.
All I want is at the end of
Roya.
a little nice.
Roya.
Sorry, niceness.
Raya! Do you love me?
Do you know what I have done for you? I raise you.
When my mom was working all the time, I stay in this horrible country for you. I have 3 jobs working all the time. Missing our family in Terra. Ungrateful sister, I can't believe it.
Seriously?
Guys, I love you. Please, I love you. Please.
I don't have
I
any
love
money.
you. I love you. Please. Bless you. God bless you. I'll wait for you.
The hell?
Goddess.
Haha. Did you guys put this here? Oh, I get it. You all want to laugh at me, right? Dumb, lonely wallflower? Is that what this is?
No, 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 we would never.
Goddess! We have been awaiting your arrival.
What is this? You're cruel. All of you.